Hello. I'm going to show you guys how to cook Bistek Tagalog. It's a Filipino recipe. First, we're just gonna caramelize this onion. I didn't put a lot of oil because I try to cook healthy. But this is anyway an olive oil. Okay, so now we're ready to take out the onion.
Right there.
Okay, and now we're ready to saute the garlic.
Garlic. Okay.
So I crushed the garlic through this. Remember, I am a housewife, household cooking. So there's no measurement.
How many garlic did you use?
You just have to know how to estimate. The garlic, well, the more the better.
In this case, it was 5.
Because garlic is good for high blood pressure. Okay. We are ready to add the beef. I have this kind of beef. Bistek Tagalog. I'm gonna save this for Sarah scenario.
Okay.
Okay.
You gonna put any pepper or something?
Huh?
I love it.
And then after this, we're gonna cover a little bit and lower the temperature. I just want to make it golden brown and turn it. Make the other side golden brown. And then I put all the spices.
Okay.
I'll show you later. Okay, so I turn it, flip it. So this is how it looks right now. Okay, so cover it, lower the flame. And after that, we check and we put all the ingredients, spices. Okay, guys. So after the other side turns golden brown, I added some water and I put all the spices. I'll show you all the spices later, okay? And then also, for this bistek, we're gonna add some carrots. All right, and we're just gonna continue cooking. We'll be back. So these are the ingredients that I added to this Bistek Tagalog menu. We have the Maggi soy sauce, the basil leaves, the Italian seasoning, then the mixed peppercorn, the black pepper, ground black pepper, and this one is bay leaves. Okay, we check again. So for right now, I'm ready to add my carrots. So we added the carrots. And from here, we are just waiting for the carrots to cook and the beef together at the same time. So just continue cooking it. Okay, so we are going to check our Bistek Tagalog. And now we are ready to add the caramelized onion. Okay, just gonna add it. Okay, I need my 2 hands. So I need it for like mixing it. Thank you. Thank you. My grandma helped me. Alright. Okay, so we're just gonna mix it all together. Look, looks beautiful and it smells delicious. Okay. Honey will try it later and he will let you know the judgment. Okay? Thank you. Ready to eat. And of course, he's gonna make taco out of that Bistek Tagalog. Oops, excuse us. Careful.
But I have to do it in a Mexican way.
Uh-huh.
But so far,
What do you say about the smell?
it smells so good.
My honey is sick, by the way. That's why he got his own drink. I got my own drink. We don't share today.
But it's the beef is too tender.
You like it?
Mm-hmm.
Thank you.
Thank you, baby.
All right, thanks guys. Follow us for more recipe. And of course, don't forget the salsa Maya. Order online, Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok.
That's my SF.
Of course, here in our channel. Send me a message. Thank you. Bye. Okay, one more person is going to try my recipe. Bistek Tagalog. Okay, mamita. ¿Quiere salsa?
Así,
¿Así? Okay.
así.
Próbate.
Está bien. Guisa muy bien allí. Muy bien.
Good, mami? ¿Está bien? Okay. ¿Qué, mamita? ¿Quiere ese? ¿Quiere?
Así. Muy sabroso.
Wow. Mamita likes it.
Bien rico.
Prueba ese.
Rico.
¿El carne rico? Gracias, mamita. It's gonna be so good when she put that one. I put it, I try it.
Tastes so good.
With this one. Pico de gallo. Super good. It's a Mexican Filipino.
Fusion.
Thanks for watching. Leave a
welcome.
comment below.
And muchas gracias. Thank you guys.